Hello lovers, this is Chris Reed from Kismet Potions. That's KISMETPOTIONS.com. We are here for our essential oil monograph series. So we did some of the essential oils already, but these are going to be the recipes for each of those oils. So this one is bergamot or Bergamo. Bergamo is the town that bergamot is actually, they kind of invented it there. So, not invented it, but it's where it's from, Bergamo, Italy. So this particular one is for seasonal affective disorder and depression and balance, really good for balance. So, SAD syndrome, a lot of times I get in the Midwest when the snow is up to your waist. So anyway, so this one is good for that. I will tell you every time how to use these. So this one in particular is going to be for a 1 ounce or 30 ml, and that can be done in any kind of base you want. It can be done in a massage oil, so that could be a base like jojoba, even olive oil. If all you have is olive oil, use olive oil. Jojoba, olive oil, rosehip seed oil. You could use any kind of a lotion. You could also use distilled water. So the distilled water, if you're doing it in a little spray bottle, what you need to do is just shake it a little bit before you use it. But this is a nice one for the face. So the bergamot that I have on the site at Kismet Potions is a bergaptan free. So bergaptan is something that could cause photosensitivity. But, you don't want to like spray it out, all over your body and then go out in the sun. So just be careful of that because there's a couple other photosensitive oils in here as well. So I'm going to start from the bottom. This is a base note. It's not really a base note. Lavender's a middle note. But I like to start from either base or middle notes and work my way up to the top note. So we're going to do 30 drops in each of these blends. So lavender is 4 drops. Geranium is 3 drops. The Petit Grain Souffleur, which we have on our site, is 8 drops. And that is a co-distillate from Morocco of neroli flowers and petit grain, which are the leaves of the orange tree. It's a beautiful, beautiful scent. And then 7 drops of the orange essence and 8 drops of bergamot, who we are profiling today. Sorry about that. Anyway, great to see you again, and have a prosperous and aromatic day. Thank you.